Hey guys, Md95tsi here. How's everyone doing? So I wanted to make this video because we have started a Facebook page, and I say we as in I've helped Jim, the Drone Network, Sinister the Drone Network. You guys know him. Jim, he has been, dude, pushing me to do this. Um, I appreciate you, Jim. I do. So Jim has went ahead and set up a Facebook page for me to build drones for everyone. So we have a few on there. Well, right now we just have one. I will by the end of the day probably have. I'm wanting to plan on having like two more, maybe a whoop build and a one that's going to inquire like a frog frame or something like that. Jim, I want to thank you so much again for doing this. Jim has reached out to Crystal behind my back, Captain behind my back, and he was talking to them to get me to do this. He's like, he likes and loves what he does. You guys should just push him to do what he does, and we're to this point now. So I want to do this video and let you know that we do have a Facebook group. It's called MD Custom Drones. The link will be in the description down below. If you're interested, before you judge, please go over there, check it out. It's not about making money on people. It's clearly not. You'll see what what it's all about, and then you're gonna be like, holy cow. So yeah, so check us out. Like I said, this is a joint effort. This is not just myself. And I got info from Baduga. He helped me out on some math and things that we figured out on parts and things like that, because it was like, the whole thing about being affordable and not kind of, just out there just to do it for money, because that's not what I'm out there to do it for money for. There's quite a few people selling theirs online just for money, and it's crazy expensive for what they're asking. So anyway, if you guys want anything, check me out. I would be honored to build you something. So you guys see what I do here. For ones that don't know, this guy I built yesterday, and this is kind of a different build. Like, I've been doing different things. Put the flight controller upside down and the VTX on top, just trying different things. This guy here I actually built. I put 4 ESCs under the flight controller, and then everything's concealed underneath that flight controller. These are LED race wires, so they light up when you power it on. But I have built that one. I built that one. And I have built that one. I've built that one. I have rebuilt that one. Let me rephrase that. I rebuilt that one multiple times. That's my wizard, what got me going. This is the build that we're going to be pretty much offering right out the gate. This is the LHI 220 build, but that one has been slammed, the center of gravity, and a few things done to that one, which can be done if you would like me to do it to the one you would like me to build for you. No problem. This is not a built one. That one I built, and that one I built, and this one. So I have done enough of it. I feel that I'm ready to do it. I get where Jim's at, so let's see what it does. We'll go with it and see what happens, and hey, who knows? Everyone might be flying around race drones, and it's all being done like bind and fly is going to be a bind and fly. Okay, you're going to take it right out the box and bind it right to whatever you have. If you have a Tyrannus QX7, I'll hook it to that. Whatever, Fly Sky, doesn't matter. The spectrums are going to be a little different, but we have that in the description on the thing, because spectrums are a little different. You guys know that. Not on binding, just the price of a receiver. So check it out, please, guys. We're on Facebook now. MD Custom Drones. Well, Md95tsi Custom Drones. But anyway, like I said, I'm all new to it too. It's all kind of like excited, new to me. So hey, hopefully we'll see each other and we'll do something. Jim's going to be kind of the guy that's in charge of the sales part of it, honestly, if you want to think of it like that. He's like my he says my outdoor salesman, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so anyway, that helps me out. I really appreciate Jim and his time on doing that, and Jim knows I'll take care of him on that. That's not a problem at all. I hope it kicks off and I'll put 20 drones on his wall. So anyway, who knows? Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. And hey, if you want to do this and we do something, we do. If not, hey, I still love you guys. This is just something that we're going to try and see what happens, and who knows? Might be something awesome. I love building, and I'm running out of parts to build, as you can see. So I have to do something. No. Alright, and I also built this one up here too. And this one is built for Drone Man Productions, Joe. Yep. So, thank you for watching. And I actually have another build going on right now for RDFPV. So I have built a couple for people. RDFPV, Drone Man Productions, Dronography Oliver. I built his the names right here. Sally, Silky Sally. I built that for him the first time when he first ever had it on his channel. Check him out and ask him. He'll let you know. Thank you guys for watching.